Welcome back to the channel where we simplify your shopping decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, comparing the Canon EOS R50 and the Canon EOS R100. Whether you're looking to capture stunning 4K videos or just want to elevate your Instagram game, we have the insights you need. Let's kick things off with the price. The EOS R50 is priced at $679, while the EOS R100 comes in at a more budget-friendly $599. Reviewers have noted that the R100 is a great option for those looking to save some cash, especially for casual vlogging. If you're on a tight budget, the R100 might be your best bet. Next, we have image quality. Both cameras feature APS-C sensors, but the R50 has a 24.2 megapixel sensor compared to the R100's 24.1 megapixel sensor. Reviewers of the R50 rave about its spectacular image quality and reliability, making it a solid choice for capturing those perfect moments. Meanwhile, the R100 is praised for its great picture quality as well, especially for beginners looking to improve their photography skills. Now, let's talk about autofocus. The R50 boasts an impressive 651 AF points, while the R100 has 143 AF points. Reviewers have highlighted the R50's autofocus as a major advantage for vlogging and capturing fast action moments. In contrast, while the R100's autofocus is reliable, some users have reported it being less effective, especially for more serious photography needs. Time for video capabilities. The R50 can shoot 4K video at up to 30 FPS, and reviewers appreciate its close-up demo mode for vlogs. On the flip side, the R100 only shoots 1080p video. For those aiming to create high-quality video content, the R50 is the clear winner here, while the R100 is more suited for casual users. Lastly, let's discuss continuous shooting. The R50 can shoot up to 12 frames per second, making it perfect for capturing fast moments, while the R100 can only manage 6.5 FPS. Reviewers of the R50 love its speed for sports and action shots, while the R100 is more than adequate for family photos and casual settings. Overall, the Canon EOS R50 is highly praised for its features, making it a fantastic choice for aspiring vloggers and photographers. Reviewers highlight its image quality and autofocus capabilities, although some mention the need for extra batteries. The EOS R100, while more budget-friendly, is noted for its reliability and great battery life, but some users have reported issues with autofocus and overall dissatisfaction. Both cameras cater to different needs, with the R50 being better for more serious content creators and the R100 for casual users. So, there you have it. The Canon EOS R50 and the Canon EOS R100 both have their strengths, catering to different types of users. If you're looking for advanced features and better video quality, the R50 is the way to go. But if you're on a budget and want a solid camera for casual use, the R100 is a great choice. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tips, and let us know in the comments which camera you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.